Welcome students to new class 11. We will start with new chapter units and measurements. So first topic is physical quantities. Quantities which are required to understand laws of physics. You can take example of length, mass, time, temperature, etc. Such quantities help us to express our physical quantities. Now, there can be two types of physical quantities. One is your fundamental quantity and the other one derived quantity. Fundamental quantities are independent quantities, whereas derived quantities are your dependent on fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantity doesn't depend on any quantity, whereas derived quantities depends upon your fundamental quantity. Next, fundamental quantities have special units and dimensions, whereas derived quantities do not have special units and dimensions. Next, fundamental quantities can be measured directly, whereas derived quantities cannot be measured directly. For fundamental quantities, you can take the example length, mass, time, etc. For the derived quantities, force, work, energy, etc. Moving to our next topic, units. For measuring a physical quantities, we need two important factors. Firstly, a numerical value, and next, standards. And these standards are known as your units. Units of fundamental quantities are known as fundamental units. Units of derived quantities are known as derived units. Next, we will discuss international system of units. Units can be measured in four ways: CGS system, FPS system, MKS system, and your SI system. So we'll start with SI system. SI system can be classified into quantities, unit, and symbol. Quantities can be further classified into length, which has a unit meter, and symbol small m. Next we have mass, unit kilogram, and symbol kg. Next we have temperature, unit Kelvin, and symbol capital K. Next we have time, unit seconds, and symbol S, small s. Next we have amount of substance, unit mole, symbol MOL. Next we have electric current, unit ampere, and symbol capital A. After this we have luminous intensity, which has a unit candela denoted with CD. And apart from this, we have two mathematical units, which are plane angles, unit radians, and symbol small rad. And finally your solid angle, which has a unit steradians and symbol SR. Rest of the systems we will see in the next class. Now, for homework, you can take this question. What is the SI unit for length? Option A, your meter, M. Option B, kilogram, kg. Option C, second. And finally, option D, Kelvin. You can submit your questions and your homework directly. So that's it for today's class. Thank you. If you have any confusion, you can directly message me in WhatsApp.